Hello guys, welcome back to another session on YouTube campaign. So first thing first, we all watch videos on YouTube, right? What irritates you the most while watching your favorite YouTube video? The YouTube ad, right? Well, those are actually a source of revenue for the companies. In this video, I am going to tell you a little secret that how I got 1.76 million impressions and 68k views in just 2 months by spending a minimal amount of money. If you want to learn this, having no prior knowledge of Google Ads and how Google Ads actually work, then this is the perfect video for you. So let's get started with this.
Now let's jump into a new and effective campaign so that you receive good impressions and views. First, just click on the new campaign. There are some bunch of goals that Google provides you. But our basic goal is to get more views and impressions. So I'll choose this option. Then you have the campaign type. So let's go with the video campaign. Moving on, we see the campaign subtype. On that, you just need to move on with the custom video campaign and click continue. Now here's the thing. You have to fill in a few settings like the name of your campaign. As this is a demo video for you guys, let's just name demo. Cool, isn't it? Okay. Now comes the interesting part, the bidding strategy. It defines how you are going to bid for a particular video to rank for a certain keyword. So here are certain options Google provide you by default according to campaign you are going to launch. For this demo campaign, I'll be going with maximum CPV as it works faster with launching a campaign to generate more views. Now let's move on the campaign total. In this, you can opt for a daily budget of almost 1000 rupees or whatever you want. The next thing you need to do is add the start and the end date so that you get a fair idea of the number of days you need to run the campaign. Then comes networks, where you want your video ads to be visible or available to your audience. This is really important because if you select the right network, the amount of views also increases. Currently for this campaign, I am going forward with YouTube videos and YouTube search results. Now the most important part is location. You need to set the location, and for that you will get 3 options: all countries and territories, India or Australia. Whatever your location is, or you can even customize the location and select as per your preference, as I have added Spain over here. Now looking at the right hand side of the screen, you will find the estimated results that Google provide you, like the number of impressions you might get while selecting the right location or budget. The more you add preference to your campaign, the more accurate results you will get. After selecting the perfect location for our campaign, we will be choosing the right inventory type. In this case, I'll be choosing the expanded inventory. Now let's add the group name. Let's go with demo 2 so that it doesn't end up confusing us. And here we end up with the major part of this video, that is selecting the audience. You have to understand what your audience type, male, female or others. Also, you can select the age group of your audience. It can be teens, children, adults or someone in the mid-30s. Also, you can set it up on the basis of your audience parental status or even their household income. Isn't that great? Well, with so many specifications, you can surely reach your target audience with no time. After selecting the audience, we need to select the keywords, which has a major part in YouTube campaign. So, how will you do perfect keyword research? I have the answer for you. First, you need to go to Google Ad account. Then on the right top corner, you will find an icon for tools. There you will find an option for keyword planner. There are many other tools that you can use like keyword sheeter tool and many more. let me show you Keyword Cheater first, as it is much easier than any other tool. The main thing that you need to do is put the primary keyword, which is lead generation strategies, and then the keyword, and you will find the another tab opening in front of you where you have to select the start job. This will give you a bunch of keywords, and when you are done with the keywords, just click on stop shading. You can see the bunch of keywords in front of you like lead generation strategies B2B, and the list goes on. These are the keywords that Shitter will be providing us. You can also use keyword planner. Just write lead generation strategies, or you can even add more keywords like lead strategies, lead generation, then just click on get results. Here, what you get to see is that you will find several keywords along with their average monthly searches and the competition on that keyword, and the total bid the keyword is going to cost you to rank on the first page. From here, also you can select your keywords and paste it over here. You can also select the topic of the ad campaign like art and entertainment, automobile, beauty, and there are many more. Choose the right one according to your video. Also, one more interesting thing, you can also narrow down your audience by setting the placement of your YouTube ad campaign. For instance, you can select where you want to actually display your ads, like showcasing it on a particular YouTube channel or video. Thus, this way you are customizing it to a particular segment only. Here I am not doing any sort of placement because our goal is to increase the views, where all placements will narrow down the audience. Now moving on the bidding part. The country that I have chosen right now is the USA, UK and Australia. So now the thing is, these countries normally charge 1 rupee for maximum CPV bid. But don't worry, you can also customize this segment even when the campaign moves on. After 1 or 2 weeks, we can analyze which keyword is working great and which one on the low side. After understanding this, we can remove the unnecessary ones and move forward with those are benefiting us. So the further process after launching the campaign is to understand which keywords are working the best and optimize your budget. Along with that, increase your view rate with the lowest CPV bid. After all these, you need to paste the video link here and fetch it out. After adding, it will ask you for the video ad format, like what format is your video. Is it an in-stream ad or a video discovery ad? According to my point of view, if your video is less than a minute, then going with an in-stream ad would be good, or else move on with a video discovery ad. So our video here is almost 6 minutes, so we will be going with an second option. Now it will be asking for the headline, which here will be getting more social media traffic with video automation. Remember, the title that you give should be short and catchy, which should actually works like clickbait. Remember, the title that you give should be short and catchy, which should actually work like clickbait. However, always keep in mind not to add any brand name in the headline or description. Make sure to use the right words in the description and the headline. Now you can simply fill in ad name. This is just for your reference so that you get to know which ads are working better. So here I am naming it Demo Testing 1. You can even preview your ad on the basis of how it will look on the mobile phone and on the desktop. After setting up everything, all you need to do is to click on the create campaign. As the campaign is created, you are almost set to go, and now click on continue to campaign. And finally, your ad campaign is launched successfully. As soon as the campaign is launched, the Google team will review it, and if they give you a green signal, it will start showing great results automatically. Thanks for watching this video, and do click the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video informative, please do like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to our channel for amazing contents every day.